Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sana okay kayong lahat. Today is Friday, 29th of September. It's a public holiday dito sa UAE, so wala kaming pasok. We have 3 days off, kaya last week, since magkakaroon ng long weekend, we planned na mag-camping kami together with our friends, newfound friends, and of course, our workmates. As you can see, we are on our way. On the way na kami to Jebel Jais or Jebel Jais in Ras Al Khaimah. 2 hours away siya from Dubai, so medyo mahabang biyahe. But that's okay. Alam ko naman na magiging masaya kasi we are a total of 25 or 26 ata. O diba, parang reunion lang. This is going to be a long video, but please keep on watching. Yung location nga pala ng camping namin, para siyang napapagitnaan ng mountains. Kaya kapit lang kayo dyan guys, I'll show it to you later. Sabi sa Google Maps, malapit na daw kami sa camping location namin. So let's see. We have arrived! Finally, andito na kami sa camping location. Ito na siya guys. Sorry pala sa background noise, sobrang lakas kasi ng hangin. Kami yung second group na dumating. Marami pang wala, kaya nagkwentuhan na lang muna kami while waiting sa kanila. Wala rin kami pa masyadong magawa kasi nga mainit pa. Andito na sila Ate Jane and Kuya June and si Kath. Ayan, parang nagsa-sunbathing lang. Hi, Kath!
Hi, Kath!
Ayan pala si PJ and Sai. Sila yung nag-organize nitong camping namin. Thank you, guys!
Guys, ka na ihiyan dyan.
Inet?
Hi, Kyrie! The youngest camper. May natrap mo. Yan ang dream car ko.
Hindi pwede yung batuhin.
Paano pag bin...
Nahirapan na siya, PJ.
PJ and his toy. And his wife. Wow, drift!
It's time to set up the tents kasi magsa-sunset na. Set up na namin most of the tents, and yung maroon na tent, yan yung tutulugan namin ni Morse. Complete na ata kami nito, and waiting na lang mag-sunset para makapag-start na kami magluto ng food for dinner.
How's Jebel Jais?
It's alright, mate.
Mga taga-ano lang, taga-kanta lang. Okay. Napagod ka, Kat?
Oo, ang bigat nga eh.
Anong ganap mo?
Kumusta naman experience nyo, guys?
It's, ito pala po kadami. Very happy. The sun is now down. Sundown, not sunset, sundown. Yeah. Oh, ilan na yan? 5. Ang kailangan dito. Pera. Oo, parang sarap.
dahilan sa mga food namin guys, mostly pang ihaw siya, isaw ng baboy, tenga ng baboy, tapos pork barbecue. Meron din iba nagdala ng mga kakanin, yung iba naman seafood, shrimp, and squid, and marami pang iba.
Kumikisan yung lahat.
Ito na yung lahat ng food namin. Hindi ko na na-film nung kumakain kami kasi sobrang gutom na talaga. Kaya ayan, na-busy na kami kumain. Then after nito, nag-movie time na kami.
Yay!
Nanood kami ng movie. It's called Ghosted. Kaso hindi namin siya natapos kasi na-board yung iba and gusto na nila mag-inom and kwentuhan. Hindi ko na na-film yung inuman session at yung kwentuhan. Kaya ito na lang. Magti 3 AM na ata nito. Nagpapaantok lang kami, then papasok na sa tent. Guys, FYI, itong picture na to, it was taken at 3 AM pero sobrang liwanag ng moon kaya kami nagpa-picture. Sobrang ganda. The next morning, nag-prepare kami agad ng breakfast para kumain muna bago kami umuwi. And then yung iba naman, nag-pack na ng gamit para onti na lang yung liligpitin namin bago kami umalis. While we're waiting for the food to cook, merong mga dumating na goat. So, pinakain muna namin sila ng mga leftovers namin last night.
Oh, ito pala isa pang kambing. Kambing na malaki.
Mami Goat, sumusunod ba yung mga baby mo sa'yo?
Coffee naman. With the goats.
It's time to go home guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next one.